Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Damilola. In case you're stopping by for the first time, please do not be a stranger here. So I already made a part of the ear, and that's because I do not want this video to be too long and unnecessarily repetitive. Then I begin to part my hair into sections so that the whole process is easier to manage. I also part it because I want, the rows to be clean as much as I can, just to make the overall process easier and manageable. To start making our cornrows, we'll part the beginning part of the ear into three sections. Let's call it the right, the middle, and the left. Okay. Then you take the right part and you cross it through the middle. Then you grab the ear from the left to the right and you cross again. Then you grab the ear from the right to the left and then you cross again, just like you're braiding your hair. But this time around, as you braid, you take it to the back and you pick the remaining part of the hair and add it to the initial three that you have separated. Honestly guys, I feel like this is better, when you can get better when you watch than just hear me explain. So I'm going to do 3 to 4 more, and I hope you guys take your time and you learn from this video. This whole process is basically rinse and repeat, to be honest. Like I said, you part the beginning part of the ear into three sections, and you start by crossing through the middle like so, and then you bring it from the right to the left to cross again, and as you go you just add the remaining strands of the hair to the three that you parted initially slowly. Guys, please take your time to watch. If you have to start again, please watch over and over so that you can really get it. That brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you have been able to learn a thing or two. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like, let me know what you think in the comment section, and if you can, please share. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.